Unlocking passive income for best side hustles for earning money in 2023. Hey there, savvy viewers. Are you tired of the same old side hustles that require constant effort and time? Well, we've got exciting news for you. Today, we're diving into the realm of passive income and uncovering the 4 best side hustles for 2023 that can help you earn money effortlessly. Get ready to unlock the secrets of earning while you sleep. First up, we have cryptocurrency staking. With the explosive growth of digital currencies, staking has become a popular method to earn passive income. By simply holding and staking your crypto assets, you can participate in securing blockchain networks and earn rewards. It's like putting your money to work for you without actively trading. Imagine waking up to extra earnings in your wallet every day. Next on our list is digital product flipping. Forget about physical items, think digital. You can acquire undervalued digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, or design templates, improve their quality, and resell them for a profit. The best part? No inventory or shipping hassles. With the power of online marketplaces, you can reach a global audience and make money while you enjoy the flexibility of your free time. Ready for something creative? Niche print on demand is the answer. By tapping into the growing demand for personalized merchandise, you can design and sell unique products catered to passionate niche communities. Whether it's t-shirts, mugs, or accessories, platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it easy to set up your online store. Once you've established your brand, sit back, relax, and let the orders roll in, all while you focus on other things. Last but not least, we have an exciting opportunity in the world of voiceover artistry. As artificial intelligence and virtual assistants continue to gain prominence, the need for voiceover talent is soaring. If you have a captivating voice, why not lend it to AI applications, commercials, and audiobooks? With online marketplaces connecting talent with clients, you can record your voiceovers from the comfort of your own home and earn money passively, while you let your vocal talent shine. So there you have it, folks. The top 4 side hustles for earning passive income in 2023. Cryptocurrency staking, digital product flipping, niche print on demand, and voiceover work for AI offer unique opportunities to make money effortlessly. Imagine waking up to extra cash in your bank account or seeing orders pour in while you pursue your other passions. The future of side hustling is all about working smarter, not harder. It's time to unlock the power of passive income and make your money work for you. Get started today and enjoy the rewards of earning while you live your life to the fullest.